I struggled about whether to write on this topic in the aftermath of another horrible school shooting in our country last week. My name is Maddox with the Maddox Law Firm, and I want to speak to you about resignation. And I want to tell you that I expect some people to read this blog and watch this video and say, who does this guy think he is? Why is he qualified to talk about this? I may not be, but if we all decide that we're not qualified to talk about something, it won't be spoken about and we won't be able to talk about and solve our problems. I want to talk to you about resignation. We resign ourselves to gun violence. We resign ourselves to mental health problems in this country. We look at teachers, boards of education, government, law enforcement, and say, where did you go wrong? And it is the resignation that actually we are practicing without even knowing it. It's what religion calls sins of omission. When we fail to be aware of that problem, that person who is struggling right in front of us, right next to us, in our classrooms, in our neighborhood, in our own households. I don't mean that being more vigilant and fighting against resignation will prevent all of these problems and prevent the next shooting. But I will tell you that when we commit to not be resigned, when we are willfully deciding that we will not resign ourselves to that problem, to that person's issues, and move on with what is next on our list, we will be able to save lives.